Perfect compatibility, new 16 different joints kit suitable for 99%, not all, dash camera, action camera, GPS and more. The ball dia of the dash cam mount is 0.63 inch. Best dash cam companion, mount your dash cam behind the center of the windshield to make a safe driving, since it allows them to record a clear unobstructed view ahead and doesn't interfere with the view when driving. Strong pipe mount, toolless and easy to install and removed. The mirror dash cam mount would be easy to lock on car rear view mirror / bike / motorcycle handlebar and any round pipe dia. Come with 2 long screws and 2 short screws, from 0.5 2.6 inches. 360 degrees rotation freedom, adjustable ball and socket joint, real 360-degree rotation design, adjust to any angle you need, be it horizontally or vertically. The dash cam mirror mount is completely at your disposal. Anti-skidding and protectiveness, position fixing with practical locking nut, durable construction prevents slipping and braking and heat resistant. Dash cams for cars never fall off the windshield. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. It's what I had ordered.